Just got to Bristol. We're going to do some filming. Let's hope this goes well. Right, so I'm just doing a video for a YouTube channel called Ghana FanTube. So can you tell me about this beautiful looking place?
Yeah, we are the Bristol Bar.
Yeah.
We are the big festival bar.
Yeah.
We're open on Saturday the 2nd.
The 2nd of this month?
Yeah.
Of July, you mean?
July,
yeah.
And we're an outside bar.
Yeah.
It's a pop-up. We've got upstairs bar as well.
Yeah.
Down here. We've got lots of Prosecco, wine,
Nice.
beer.
Cocktails.
Yeah, you know, you got to take your fancy for everything.
Amazing. Wow, so this if you're watching, guys, this place is located in Bristol city center. The opening this coming Saturday, which is 2nd of July. So pop in here, drink a lot of Prosecco. All right, thank you very much. All right. I'm doing a YouTube video for a channel called Ghana FanTube. I just want your reaction about the match yesterday.
Pretty good match, to be fair. England started off pretty slow, but build up got good after Sterling's pretty good goal, to be fair.
Yeah, that was an amazing goal. Did you watch it?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, it was amazing, man, because I was scared, I was nervous.
Yeah.
But when that goal came, I was all over the place. I was streaming so loud. I don't know how many beer I had last night, but it was a pretty good match. So do you think Saturday, do you think we have any chance of proceeding?
I think we have a proper strong fight for this one.
Yeah, pretty good, strong chance.
I mean, we've
Yeah.
beat one of the big teams in like
2-0 against Germany, and then
Yeah, that's
we've got
massive. That's
We've got
massive.
Ukraine, which
they
Yeah.
came on pretty bright
Should be
for in
easy,
the
should be easy.
semi-finals. The finals would be Belgium.
Yeah.
So they've got a solid performance at the moment with Lukaku.
Yeah, but with German performance, I think the boys will have a lot of confidence.
they just slapped it a bit.
They just, man, it was one of the fresh game I've ever watched England, because
their heads dropped after Sterling, and Harry Kane just,
it's like they really want that goal. It's really amazing, you know. It's a good feeling. It gives them a lot of boost, you know, because people want something. People want like a trophy, and I think this is the best time to. It's coming on. It's coming on. All right, yeah. Any plans for today, guys?
Just walking about, to be fair.
Yeah, that's it. Beer later, probably.
Yeah,
hopefully.
Yeah.
This place is opening on Saturday, so if you guys want to come, it's like a beach kind of bar. So,
First time in Bristol.
Pardon?
First time in Bristol.
Oh, first, really? From where?
Salisbury.
Salisbury, West Midlands, is that right?
No, just south.
Down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So let me give you a tip.
Yeah.
Since you're in Bristol, let me go to Have a Nichols. It's just down here. It's a department store. They have a bar, a nice bar. When you go, tell them look for Yasmin.
Yeah.
Tell them Ed sent you here. She'll take care of you. Yeah, tell them Ed. Yeah, it's a nice bar. They do nice cocktails, nice drink, nice mocktails. So make sure you go in there. Yeah, thank you, man.
What's your YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, this one here. Oh, thank you, man. Been nice. I know I'm growing fast. Yeah. I do a lot of Bristol stuff, so you see a lot of
Lovely place, Bristol, isn't it?
Pardon?
Lovely place, Bristol.
Beautiful place. Have you been to Park Street? I'll tell you. I'll show you in a bit. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So Park Street is like a Bristol kind of hell.
Yeah. Nice.
So you go straight, you turn left. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So yesterday England won. Did you watch the match?
Yes.
Were you happy?
Happy for the England.
Yeah.
Man.
Do you think they'll win a cup?
I don't know, man, but I hope for that.
You hope, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yesterday was pretty amazing.
Yeah, very amazing yesterday. A nice score for yesterday.
Oh, it was. I was screaming. I was shouting really loud.
Nice, and everybody was in UK. It was happy, you know.
Oh, everybody was happy, right? Everybody was happy. And just a quick question: where are you from?
I'm from Somalia, man.
Somali.
Yeah.
So can you say hello to everybody back home?
Hello, everybody back home.
What's the name of your city in Somali?
Mogadishu.
Mogadishu. Oh, big Mogadishu. Yeah, nice one. Thank you so much for talking to me today.
Okay,
I hope you have a nice day.
You too, mate.
Thank you. A YouTube video for a channel called Ghana FanTube. What's your name?
I'm Janelle.
Janelle, where are you from, Janelle?
America.
Oh,
New
wow.
York, but I live in Bristol.
Which state?
Queens. New York.
Queens. New York. Oh my God, I love New York. I've been to New York. I've been so many. I've been to Soho. I've been to Harlem. You know where is it?
Manhattan?
Yeah, I've been to Manhattan. I've been to Harlem. I want to tell you this place. Obama been there. What's the name? Is he the famous restaurant in Harlem? It's in that African streets.
You mean the theater?
Oh no, I forgot the name. Oh, Sylvie.
Okay, you been there?
Yeah, I've been there. I've been to Chinatown. I've been to Bronx. I've been to the Yankee Stadium around there. I've been to so many places, right? It's so nice talking to you. Do you want to say hello to everyone back home?
Big up MPS, big up Queens, big up New York.
Big up New York. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
Channel, okay?
All right, bye. Yeah, so far so good. I've been managed to talk to some locals. I talked to someone from the States, someone from Queens. So if you're from the States, if you're from America, Bristol is pretty amazing. If you want to visit, please do let us know. We'll show you all the hidden gems around Bristol. 3. Right. Hi Lucas, I'm just doing a video for a YouTube channel called Ghana Fan Tube. What's your name?
Lucas, man.
Lucas, yeah, nice to meet you. So I just want to ask you about the football yesterday. What's your impression? Do you think these guys are going to win a cup?
To be honest with you, I'm not a fan of football.
Oh.
I heard the reaction of people because I was on the Irish session listening to music.
Okay.
But everybody was shouting like a crazy.
I bet they were drinking a lot of beer.
Chilling, drinking, listen to music, man.
I think, all right, so there's a question that Bristol TV is doing something about introducing a race course where the skateboard park is. Do you think it's a good idea, or do you think they should just leave the skateboard park alone?
Oh, they should leave it alone, mate. People doing something, people expressing themselves through the skateboard is a big, massive culture.
Exactly.
It's a huge part of Bristol, so in my eyes, they should leave them alone.
Exactly. That's what I told them on the TV. I told them they should leave it alone because this help people mentally. It get people out to do something.
Exactly. Completely agree with you. So yeah, I'm fully supporting leaving them alone, man.
Do you skateboard yourself?
Longboards.
Longboards?
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your skating skills.
I'm longboarding for 9 years now.
9 years?
Concentrating on slides and dancing.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, good fun. Dangerous, and then looked a few times, but it's fun.
Any international shows since you've been
No, I'm just as a hobby.
Just a hobby, right?
Take a piss with my friends and enjoy the time.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Lucas. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you, man.
All right, cheers, man.
Have a nice one, dude.
You too, man.
It's not the local one. So raised strips have been installed in sort of where the cenotaph is in the centre of Bristol to stop people from skateboarding. Obviously that's down there, there are a lot of skateboarders around there. Do you think that is a good thing, or do you think it's a bad thing? Do you think that it should be extended to more areas, or do you think that skaters should be able to do what they want where they want?
This is my personal opinion. Because of Bristol, how Bristol is all arts. It's about Bristol, so I don't think it's a good idea. That's my personal opinion, but they decide to introduce the race, so I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah.
Would you be able to expand on your opinion? Why do you not think it's a good idea?
Because of these days where people struggle with mental health, and I think people go out to skateboard to release stress because they don't want to stuck in the house probably playing game all the time. And like if you can just see behind you, there's a skateboarders, a lot of them in Bristol, and this helped them a lot.
Do you skateboard yourself?
No, but I know a lot of friends that do that skateboard. Yeah.
That's perfect. So my second question is obviously England won against Germany. So a couple of questions with that. How does that make you feel? Do you think that they're going to win the Euros?
It's coming home. It's coming home. So seriously, man, that was like a best day in the year. You can imagine lockdown in the house for a whole year, and England won 2-0. Man, yesterday I was all over the moon, and I think England's going to win this.
Why do you think England's going to win it?
Come on, look, they're an energetic team, they're very young, and winning the game yesterday will give them a lot of boost. So I don't think Ukraine or Sweden have a chance at all. Yeah, and Belgium beating Germany, Belgium will just be a normal game for us.
And also, who is your favourite player and why?
I think there's quite a few. I'll probably say Trippier and also Sterling. But what I think the manager, I don't have powers to tell the manager, but we shouldn't rely only on Sterling, because if something happened now that we don't have forward. So I think Trippier and Sterling, yeah.
Perfect. That's all I need then.
Thank you very much.
Do you want to quickly just mention, because I know you wanted to mention your YouTube channel?
Yeah, so I work for, not really, I have a YouTube channel called Ghana Funtube, as in GHANAFUNTUBE, Ghana Funtube, just Funtube. Anything Bristol, anything fun, Funtube, Ghana Funtube.
It's perfect.
Thank you very much.
That's all I need then. Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate. Yeah, that was nice.
Thanks.
Hiya, my name is Ed. I'm doing a video for YouTube channel called Ghana Funtube. I'm also in town to do a reaction about the England match yesterday. Did you watch it?
I did watch it, yeah.
What do you think?
What a game.
What a game.
The boys did us proud.
Oh, it's coming home, right?
It's coming home.
It's coming home.
Without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Yeah, so it looked like this apple, if I know a little bit about it, is one of the iconic cider bars in Bristol.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you guys do?
We concentrate on some like steel farmhouse cider.
Yep.
Yeah, and we just sell the hell out of it. Yeah.
That's it, man. Yeah, so if you're watching, this is apple. It's in, is it King?
It's on Welsh Back, at the end of King Street.
It's at the end of King Street, yeah. So I would recommend to you, it's the best up cider bar in Bristol. You know, cider is from Bristol, so here is the best place to get cider. Thank you, mate.
Cheers, man.
All right, cheers. So at the moment I'm just in Bristol city centre. I believe I forgot the name of this park. Yeah, so it's just the day after the England won the big match, so I'm just in town doing some reaction videos. I managed to talk to some few Bristolians, so let's continue this amazing vlog. And also, if you just join in, please do subscribe to our channel. All right. So that was the end of the video. If you do enjoy the video, please do subscribe. Thank you very much.